If you have any welders in your life, this scholarship is for you. Hey there, my name is Margaret McKenzie. I'm here to help you break scholarship myths and find those hidden scholarship dollars to support your post-secondary education. Did you know that there are many scholarships that can be found on one single website? Today's feature is a perfect example of that. One click for multiple welding student bursaries and scholarships. Don't wait, apply today. With thanks to the Canadian Welding Bureau Foundation, which is a national charity founded in 2013 with the support of government, educators, industry, and community partners, we're working to meet the growing need for skilled professionals in welding, fabrication, and related technologies. Our scholarship and bursary programs break down barriers for students, educators, Indigenous people, women, and other underrepresented groups. We believe everyone should have the chance to explore the skilled trades, build skills, and choose a career that lets them reach their full potential. With one click, anybody who's studying welding, whether you're anybody at all who's studying welding or even welding educator, this page is for you. Please check out my Instagram at the scholarship.podcast and ask me to speak to your group to break myths and teach you how to find those hidden scholarship dollars. Don't wait. Apply today.